Have a process sketched in PowerPoint, on a whiteboard, or even a napkin. Just snap a picture and upload it into UiPath Maestro using Autopilot. Add a quick prompt like, "This is a summer leave approval process," and Autopilot transforms your diagram into a full BPMN 2.0 model. No need to know process modeling standards. Maestro handles the structure and logic for you. Once your process is modeled, you can easily add first-party or third-party AI agents to handle tasks like checking systems, routing approvals, or updating records, or other types of implementation activities such as automations, integration service connectors, or action app tasks. From simple sketch to smart, scalable agentic orchestration, Autopilot for Maestro makes getting started easy so your summer holiday gets approved before the ice cream melts.